Good morning, class 6. Today we will know how to use chemistry in our daily life. So first we will know how chemistry is used in our food. Eating food and digesting food is itself a chemistry. Chemistry has a great impact in our daily life. Chemicals which are derived directly from the natural sources or synthetically obtained help us to preserve our food items from spoiling and to increase their shelf life. They also help us to analyze nutrients present in the food for our better use and to develop novel or improved varieties of food. How is chemistry used in food preservation? Preservation of food is the process of preventing it from spoiling. The spoilage of different food items that needed to be stored for a long period is done with the help of a chemistry. And this is not a new thing, this is a thing which is carried on from thousands of years ago. That includes retaining their color, taste and nutritive value. Food processing. What is food processing? It is a process where conservation of raw ingredients by either physical or chemical means into food is done. These food items are usually packed in cans or boxes. Some methods that are used for processing of food are canning, pickling, pasteurization, fermentation, freezing, refrigeration, etc. Example of food processing are soft drinks, cheese, bread, milk, tinned vegetables, meat products, and few examples of this. Advantage of food preservation: it prevents ourselves from falling sick due to consumption of contaminated food. Means if we are having good food, then we will not fall sick. To take care of the excess food produced or grown helps by preservation. Add variety of food by making different fruits and vegetables available during off seasons. Lengthen the shelf life of food by slowing down the spoilage of food caused by microorganisms. To transport food to areas where it is not grown is possible due to preservation. To make transportation and shortage of food easier. To supply food to hospital, airlines, trains, defense personnel and astronauts. Some unique ways to preserve foods are sun drying. The foods are removed by drying. The moisture the moisture of the food is removed by drying it in the sun. The absence of the moisture will prevent the food and the multiplication of microorganisms will stop. Most of the cereals, pulses and spices are stored in this method. Heating. Boiling of water and the basic cooking practice to prevent the spread of diseases due to microorganisms. This technique also used to store milk. A new technique called the ultra-heat treatment is used to store milk, wherein the milk is heated at 135 degrees centigrade for a few seconds and stored in Tetra packs, which are packed milk. Salting. Fishes and main food that is stored using salt is being done. The fishes are put in a salt, then they are sun dried, and the moisture is absorbed by the salt. The fish get dried and they are preserved for a long period of. So we will do this much only.